Welcome back to Cook It Repeat. I'm your host Dhaval and I'm gonna share one of my favorite recipes right now with you. This recipe is so easy to make yet super delicious. You might be making it for the first time, but I promise you it won't be your last. I'm pretty sure from kids to elderlies, everybody will just love this recipe. Let's make some crepe cakes today. Alright, let's start by cracking one egg in a bowl. Add in whole milk, followed by tablespoon of sugar and a pinch of salt. Give it a good mix. Add in whole wheat flour and finish this batter with melted butter. The consistency should be thin pouring consistency. Heat up non-stick pan on medium heat and grease it with some melted butter. Add in spoonful of our batter to make it into crepe and turn pan to evenly spread our batter. It's that yummy time to add some melted dark chocolate to it. Repeat the procedure to make one more crepe and layer it on the top. Repeat this procedure for 3 to 4 times until you have a nice stack. Separate bowl, I'll start whipping some cream. I have added some icing sugar to it and drop of vanilla essence. Add in sliced bananas. Top this crepe cake with our whipped cream, some bananas and drizzle of chocolate. I'm adding fig jam to it, but really you can get creative with toppings. You can add different varieties of jams and jellies. You can add peanut butter. You can add dark chocolate, white chocolate, milk chocolate. You can add different berries. It really tastes good. Get creative with toppings and let me know in comments which one was your favorite topping of all. There you have it, guys. Isn't it absolutely delicious and super easy to make? To watch more easy recipes like this, like this video, share this video with all your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Cook, Eat, Repeat.